Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this.
This is a chicken birria stew with rice and tacos.
Let's look at the ingredients real quick. We have a free-range chicken, we have some cloves of garlic, we have some dried chile, pasilla negro, ancho, and guajillo. I have these other dried chile that I actually brought with me from Bulgaria. Those are really hot, and we're gonna use them in our dish. We have some onions, carrots, bay leaf. These habanero peppers we're gonna eat with the dish, and I have some tomato paste here and a chicken bouillon cube.
The first thing that I like to do is cut the chicken into pieces, and for this recipe I'm only going to use half of the chicken. And what I like to do is remove the leg and the wing from the breast and cut the breast in half. Next, I like to season the chicken with salt, pepper, and paprika. Next, I'm going to add some olive oil to my hot cast iron pot where all the magic will happen. Next, we are going to place the chicken pieces skin side down in the hot oil. After that, we're going to sear the chicken to golden brown each side for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to add some white wine and simmer the chicken in the wine for about 5 minutes. After that, I like to prepare the chili by removing the stems and the seeds and placing the chili in the pot. After that, we need to add 1 quart of water and the chicken bouillon cube and gently simmer the chili until they become soft. While the chili are simmering, we can cut the carrot and the onion into pieces and add them to the chicken stew. After that, we have to blend the chili in the blender until they become a smooth consistency. This is the point when we add a big spoonful of the tomato paste into the blender so it blends together with the chili. After that, we are going to add the chili and tomato paste in the pot with the chicken and the onions and the carrots. And now it's time to add the bay leaf to the stew. Now, all we need to do is to simmer the stew for about half an hour before we put it in the oven, where it will remain for roughly 3 hours. While the stew is in the oven, we can start working on the rice, and this is done by cooking the rice with some fat of your choice. I like to use butter or olive oil or combination of both. While the rice is cooking in the butter, I can clean some cilantro leaves and chop some onions, which I'm gonna sprinkle on top of my tacos. When the rice has been cooking in the butter for about 5 to 10 minutes until golden brown, it's time to hit it with the hot chicken stock. When the rice starts cooking, I like to cover it with towels and lower the temperature and just leave it there for about half an hour. Meanwhile, it's good to take the stew out of the oven from time to time and check it out. And if the liquid inside the pot reduces too much, it doesn't hurt to add a little bit of water. at this point, the stew has been in the oven for 2 hours, and I'm gonna add the garlic cloves to the stew for the final hour of cooking so they become sweet and soft and delicious. After the 3 hours in the oven, the stew is completely ready, and as you can see, I have my taco pan already heated up on the stove top, and now it's time to pull the stew out of the oven, and I want to show you what it looks like. And there it is. This is what it looks like. It is unbelievable, and I can't wait to try it. Here I have some chile beef tallow, which I collected during previous times when I made birria tacos, because that fat usually accumulates on top of the pot and you can collect it with a ladle. And this beef tallow is just perfect to toast the tortillas in. Here I'm going to sprinkle some shredded cheese on top of the tortillas so it melts on the tortilla while the tacos are heating up. While this is happening, I have put the chicken in a plate, and look at this thick, delicious stew that's going to be my dipping sauce for my chicken birria tacos. So I'm ready to make the tacos, and the first thing I'm going to do is put some chicken on the tortillas. Then I'm going to sprinkle some fresh onion and some cilantro, and after that we're going to put some Mexican hot sauce. I like my tacos with Mexican hot sauce. And then squeeze some fresh lime. And this is what the chicken birria taco looks like. And now all we need to do is dip it in the stew and enjoy. It looks absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to try it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so delicious. The chicken birria stew is absolutely out of this world, unbelievable. Wow.